Hi you guys, these are the new Goddess Knotless braids that I got. So come with me and I'll show you step by step how I got them done. So I started off the morning before washing my hair with the Wave products. I've been using them for a while. I really love their detox shampoo. It's really good. And then I also followed up with the conditioner and made sure to really like comb it through my ends. Now I'm still undecided on the conditioner. Well, there's two. The deep conditioner is really good, but the other standard conditioner, I'm still unsold on it yet because I don't know, it didn't leave it feeling like super soft. So I'm gonna have to maybe go back and retry it again. Also, I'd like to say, do not do this the night, do this the night before. Don't do this like me and do it the day or the morning of. I then take out my Dyson. I love my Dyson and I put it on notch 2. And then I go in and I begin to blow dry my hair. It doesn't have to be pin straight for me, but just straight enough. After I do this, I'm ready to go, but then I need to make myself a smoothie. So this is like a new go-to smoothie that I've been making. And then I went ahead and got me the, Mr. Beast blender. I got the mini and I only got it because it was aesthetically pleasing, but I've been loving this because I can also juice in it too. I know it has a lot of different, is what I will say, recommendations, but maybe check back with me in like 3 to 6 months and see how I feel about it. But yeah, I went ahead and I decided to make like this like banana, like raspberry green smoothie, and that oat milk in the background, I love that. I get it seasoned, or not seasoned, I get the vanilla flavor and it is super good. All of the stuff that I'm using is pretty much from Trader Joe's. That's where I get a lot of my local produce from. But I really do want to start going back to farmers market and getting them from there. The reason that I also decided to go ahead and get this blender is because it comes with like, and you're gonna see it a little bit later, but it comes with this like extra like container where I can add in a straw and take it on the go with me. And it has like a little handle. So I was like, oh, this is the perfect blender. So once again, I'll give you guys like a review later on, but this is how I take it with me. And I'm like, well, I'm ready to go. This smoothie was 10 out of 10, would recommend. Super good. So this is the hair that I also used. I did a 427-613 mix. I know I'm talking fast, but this is the color, is that platinum color, and I loved it. All right, you guys, now we are here. And at this point, I just, there was a lot that needed to be said. So I'm gonna just let the rest of the video tell it to you, and here we go. All right, you guys, so this, y'all, hold on. All right, y'all, so I don't know what to say, but I need to go home and get a coffee. I'm back home, so let's talk about it. Let's talk about the hair. Let's talk about the experience, all of those things. Okay, first off, I don't hate it. I don't hate it. This is what it looks like. Once again, for those of you who didn't see, let's zoom in. I mean, it's great color choices, like all of that. What I will say is it currently is a lot for me in my day-to-day life. So also the experience was superb. They were great. There was 2 ladies that were working on my head, which I really appreciate. Got there at 8 a.m. They immediately got started. They also have hair there, but I brought my own hair. I think for them to mix the colors, it's like 15, but I already brought a pre-mix. $260 for me to do this style, waist length, really it's butt length. And I need to check how many packs of hair they did. I will check how many packs of hair, but from 8 a.m. I got done at 12. They really got done braiding at 11, but then they had to do all the stuff, like they went through with gel to do the curls and all that extra stuff. If I was on a beach right now with a tan, there would be nothing wrong with this. This would be giving everything. But right now, this is not exactly, it's too much colors and stuff going on. So what I'm gonna do, cause like I like the actual braid, right? I like the actual mix of this hair right here. This is a 613 mix in this. So what I'm gonna do is remove a good majority of this blonde. I'm removing all of this brown, or this honey blonde. I don't care for this color. I'm removing all of this. I'm leaving a couple of these to like face frame because they ended up putting 5 strands on each individual braid. So that's just a lot of hair, 5 strands on each individual braid. So I'm going to leave a couple of the blondes like mixed in a little bit And I may go back in, because this hairstyle is now turning out to cost a lot. I may go back in and get another of this curly hair, but get it in a 4, because my hair is a 4. Actually, my hair is ash brown, but 4 is what matches the best with ash brown that I have found so far. So I will go ahead and maybe add in a little 4 into this, if it mixes well, or even if I could get like this color, like if I could get that whole freaking color to just like have that extra piece, that would be perfect. Because like technically this is a 613, but it's giving more than this. So I'm gonna maybe get a 4. I want more dimension. This is this is great, don't get me wrong, but I need dimension, in a darker dimension. So that's what I'm gonna do. But like everything else is great. Like this is the back, like I said. It looks, I mean, it looks good. Do not get me wrong. Do not get it wrong. I'll be back with my updates on how I do this and how I cut this out. Okay, bye. Are you gonna help Billy? Say hi. Hi, cutie pie. Hello. Okay. So I'm over here at Asia's house and got the scissors. So let's get started. Yeah, like for sure. Ugh, let's see how that's gonna look. Yeah, I start right. Yeah. Make sure that's not in here. So we're back. It's the next morning and my hair completely looks different. But yeah, so my friend helped me, shout out to you, to cut out all of the excess curly pieces. I just felt like it was too many in it, but I am super happy with the final result. They still did a really great job. It still looks super cute and full, and this is just what I needed. And I think that in the future, I'll just crochet in my own pieces if I want to go for that look. But yeah, I'm really happy, but I'm not mad that the pieces were crocheted. I still need to snip like a couple of ends, like this one right here, because then it added to this color by them putting in the platinum blonde. It still put the platinum blonde in the rest of the color. It's a nice mix. That's what I'm saying. It's a very nice mix. And I'll probably do this again in the future. Maybe add in some other pieces. I don't know, but I love it. Okay, you guys. So thanks for my like multi-day get ready with me. Okay, bye.